guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do 3 small Halloween DIYs. These are using either items from home or Dollar Tree items. So these are budget friendly, easy, and affordable. Before we get started, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So before we get started, I'm going to show you a sneak peek right here of my 3 DIYs. In this project, I have 2 packages of the ornament balls from the Dollar Tree. So there's 10, 5 in each pack. And now I have already painted my dowel in black and my skull stake. So what you need to do is remove these, but I wouldn't get rid of these if you're into DIYing, because this could be used as the top of a little tassel. And you're going to use your drill, and you're going to drill through the hole all the way so that you have a hole coming through each end. And now you're just going to feed your balls onto your dowel carefully, because your dowel is not that sturdy. I have now glued down these styrofoam cones so that they stay in place. To extra secure them, I'm going to be cutting up this old sheet and stuffing it in there just to keep them more stable. Finishing it off with some moss on top. And then finishing it off by sticking in my flowers with the eyeballs that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And here it is, it's all done. You see I added the googly eyes and the skeleton, skull. Alright guys, this is how it came out. This is with my lights on. So in this DIY, I'm going to be making the pumpkin, and what I'm using is this random piece of fabric. One of my patients at work crocheted or knit this piece for me, and you know what? I really didn't know what to do with it because it's not that large. It's a small piece. And I thought, you know what better way to than make it into a pumpkin to display for the fall season. The first thing that I'm going to do is stitch this across so that you make it into a kind of like a tube. So with the right sides together, I'm going to stitch across with my sewing machine to get it in a tube. So my tube is all stitched up, but we're going to keep it inside out for now. In addition to your piece of material, like an old sweater or whatever you have, you need stuffing, a branch, and your twine. And don't let me forget, you also need 2 rubber bands. Now you're gonna put your twine. I have a very long piece. I would say it's about 36 inches, 4 pieces that are 36 inches. You're gonna feed them through to the bottom, just like that. And the other side they'll hang out. And then you're gonna scrunch this up with your rubber band. Then you're going to turn it inside out. And at the bottom, sticking out, is gonna be your twine. And this is what we're gonna pull to get that effect of the pumpkin. So now we're just gonna stuff it up, stuff our pumpkin up. then you're gonna stick your branch in once you get the stuffing just how you want it. Tie it tight now with your second rubber band. Now you're just gonna cut that loop that might have been. If you had the loop, make sure your twine is separate. And you're gonna just take 2 strands and start meeting them up to form that rippled effect. And then you're just gonna tie into a tight knot. And now you can see how it's starting to form that gathered pumpkin look. Now that I have my rippled effect for the pumpkin, I'm just going to keep wrapping my twine all the way around the extra and hot glue it into place. Pumpkin is all done, and the last step here was to glue on these leaves, and I think this was a great way to repurpose a piece of fabric that I could not find use for, and it looks adorable. Love the colors, and this is beautiful. In this project, I will be using this 11 by 15 frame from Walmart, my Ouija board that I've had, and it doesn't quite fit, so I will be using some of the border here on my paper in the box to make it fit in the picture frame. This Ouija board made the perfect Halloween tray. Alright guys, that wraps up my 3 Halloween DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this. I would love for you to comment down below. Tell me which one was your favorite. Please give this video a great big thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!